Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Marsha from Class Management 23C with NPM 2311059. This video I wanted to bring and explain material about types and form of organizational change. Understanding organizational change. Organizational change is the process of adjusting an organizational structure, strategy, process, and or culture to adapt to change in the internal and external environment. This change aims to increase the organizational effectiveness, efficiency, and competitiveness at changing time. Organizational change can take many forms, including structural adjustments, strategic directions, culture transformations, or the operations of the new technology. Successful change requires clear communication, effective leadership, and employee involvement to reduce resistance and ensure commitment to the new directions. Model like Leo's change model and ultimately embracing organizational change help organizations remain competitive, innovative, and resilient and rapidly evolving business environment. Reason for organizational change. Organizational change occur for various reasons to help companies stay competitive, efficient, and relevant in a constantly evolving environment. One major reason is technological advancement, as new technologies often require business to update to their system, process, or skill to remain effective. Market competitions also drives change, pushing organizations to innovate their product, improve customer service, or adopt new strategies to maintain or gain market share. Economic factor. Success as inflowing recessions or globalization can influence companies to restore or modify their operations to remain financially sustainable. Internal factors such as leadership, transitions, employment feedback, or the need to improving performance can also incite change. Finally, social and cultural trends, including shift in the workforce expectations or public value like sustainability and diversity, encourage organizational to adapt their culture and practice. Overall, organizational change is driven by the need to service, grow, and thrive in dynamic business environment. Purpose of organizational change: improving work the effectiveness and efficiency, adjusting strategy to new conditions, spreading innovations and creativity, increasing employee motivation and job satisfaction, strengthening an organization's positions and competitiveness. So the main purpose of organizational change are the help of company improve its effectiveness, adaptability, and overall performance in change environment. One key purpose is enhance of efficiency and productivity by streamlining process, reducing costs, or implementing new technologies. Change also meant to maintain competitiveness, allowing organization to respond so quickly to market trends. Organizational change is also implemented to improve employee engagement and workplace culture, fostering collaborations, motivation, and innovations. Additional, it helps organizations adapt to external pressures, including economic shift and regulatory requirement or social expectations. In essence, the purpose of organizational change is to ensure that organizational remains flexible, forward-looking, and capable of achieving its strategic goal in constantly evolving business landscape. Types of organizational change based on scale of change: internal change, intermittent change, small incremental change to improve existing process or system, example adding online customer service feature. Transformational change, major change involving the overall restoring of an organization's culture and strategy. Example, a company shifting from traditional to digital. Based on scale of change, organizational change can be categorized into incremental change and transformation change. Incremental change involves small, gradual improvement made over time to enhance existing process system or structure without drastically altering the organization's overall directions. It focuses on continuous improvement, such as updating policies and improving workflow or introductions, minor technological upgrades. On the other hand, transformation change is the large-scale and fundamental, often reshaping an entire organizational strategy, structure, or culture. This type of change usually occurs as a response to major challenges or opportunities such as major. This type of change usually occurs as response to major challenges or opportunities such as major technological revolutions or shift in market conditions. Transformation change significantly impact how organizations operate and may even redefine its identity and essence. Incremental change promotes steady progress to stability, while transformation change derive deep regional and long-term growth. Barriers to organizational change: employee resistance or rejections, lack of communication and management support, ambiguity about change goals, limited human and technological research, fear of losing one position or role. And one major barrier is employee resistance, which often arises for fear of unknown loss job security or discomfort with the new way of working. Poor communications is other significant obstacles, such unclear or inconsistent messaging can lead to confusions and mistrust among employees, lack of leadership support or. And the next strategies for the facing organizational change: communicate change goal openly, involving all members of the organizational in the planning and implementation process. Provide training and support to prepare for adaptations, build and culture open to innovations, regularly evaluate and adjust change. Strategy for facing organizational change are the essential to ensure a smooth transitions and successful implementations of new initiative. One effective strategy is clear and transparent communications, which help employees understand the reasons for the change, its benefits, and how it will affect them. This reduces uncertainty and builds trust. Strong leadership is also crucial, as leaders must serve as role models, provide directions, and motivates employees through the process. Another important strategy is employee involvement, where staff are encouraged to participate in planning and decision making, increasing their sense of ownership and commitment to the change. Providing training and development opportunities equip employees with the necessary skill and knowledge to adapt effectively. Building the supportive culture that ensures flexibility, innovations, and collaborations can also make the organizations more resilient to change. Additionally, setting clear goals and celebrating short their wins can maintain momentum and reinforce positive progress. Finally, continuous monitoring and feedback help identify issue early and allow for necessary adjustment. By applying these strategies, organizations can minimize resistance, enhance engagement, and successfully navigate and challenge for change. In conclusion, organizational change is the vital process that enables companies to adapt, grow, and remain competitive in our ever-evolving business environment. It involves transforming structure, strategies, technologies, and culture to meet new challenges and opportunities. While change can be difficult and often faces barriers such as resistance, poor communications, and lack of research, it's essential for long-term success. Effective management and change require clear communications, strong leadership, employee involvement, and continuous support. By embracing change profitably and strategically, organizations can not only overcome obstacles but also foster innovations, improve performance, and build a more resilient and forward-thinking workplace. So, that's all about presentations today. I'm Ica Rizky Marsha. Thank you, attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.